going on YouTube? Tony here with Big Ugly's Garage, back with some more bodywork on the S550. Riley just went to go get some spreaders for the Bondo. He forgot them because he took them to finish his Z up. Anyways, I'm gonna get this back bumper off so that we can go ahead and start spreading some Bondo on this quarter to get it all leveled out.
Harley.
It's a lot of Bondo, dude.
I'll make it look like it. I told you I'm doing one spread of Duraglass.
How's it going, guys? It's been a while since I've updated anything, but today I got in my Michigan Motorsports cam. Looks like it came with a brand new cam bolt. Let's see what else we got here. Looks like new push rods. Let's see what else we got here. Came with new seals for the water pump. Got new valve springs and retainers. I got new valve seals. I'm going to send it over to Wilson Head. To send it over, I'm gonna have to get all these rockers off to get the bolts out, which are inside here. I got a sensor there too that I gotta get off. Once I get that done, I'll be able to send it over to Wilson and get it hot tanked, resurfaced, and all the new springs and retainers in there. Right, as you can see, I got all the spark plugs out, all the rockers off. So I think we're about ready to send this off to Wilson Head, get these all cleaned up. They are quite disgusting. And I'll have an update for you once we get those back. As you can see, I got the cam in there. Spin it over, take out the oil pan, take out the oil pump so I can put the new one on. Also need to place all the new lifters I got inside there. Since earlier I thought I got a video of this. This is the heads with the new retainers. And said you had to do a valve job on it, so that'll be all set, no leaks. I got the oil pump and rockers in there. The new lifters I'm going to install. There they are. Had them on sale. BTR, baby.
you.